Oh, hi, welcome back to my channel. What's up? That's how I start. What's up? So, you guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, why? Why are you not following me on Instagram? Follow me on Instagram. I asked you guys in the stories if you guys wanted me to share my favorite kale polishes and kind of swatch them for you guys because they are going out of business and it's so sad. It's so sad. So I thought I would do that, and I was going to do this in combination with like a Bath & Body Works candle haul. But I don't know if we're gonna have time because I have a lot of polishes to share with you guys, and honestly this video is gonna be a million years old and I can already tell it's gonna be super long, and but it's fun and you guys voted and you guys wanted it and I wanted it. You guys know I love kale polish and I have almost every single one of their collections, maybe a couple from maybe one collection I didn't get. But I have a lot of polishes and I showed you guys my nail polish rack, so you should have been following me. But anyways, so I have a ton to share that are my absolute favorites. Honestly, they're all really good. So the formula is amazing. If there's a polish that you like the color, pick it up. But these are just my top. So yeah, I'm really excited to share these with you guys. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and hit the notification bell so you're notified of future videos. And let's just get started. I do sound raspy and I'm gonna cough nasty in this video because I'm sick. But you guys already know that from Monday's video, so I'm going to leave it at that. I am dressed the same because it is the same day. I am just getting these out for you guys. All right, so we're gonna go in no particular order, but I'm gonna leave my absolute favorite for last. I don't know what sold out on the website, you guys. I'm just throwing out my favorites. So if it's on there and you like it, pick it up. All right, so I have a ton of blues. I really love this Porter Miami. I love bright blues, especially for the summertime. I think that they are so incredibly fun. Porter Miami looks so gorgeous. There's no glitz, there's no glitter, there's no shimmer in there. I also love these two darker blues. This one, Gumption, is like a blue, but it has like a dark purpleness to it as well. And these two are, even though they're darker, they look rather bright on the nails, I've noticed. Especially To the Stars. To the Stars is so bright and beautiful and unique. If you like blue polishes, you're going to love this one. And it has like a sheen to it, some light shimmer in there, but it's very, very subtle and very beautiful. Like very like glowy, like the light just hits it. It's really, really nice. Those two are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this is one I can't live without, Hug and Roll. If you don't have Hug and Roll, you need it. It's like a white with a purple tint to it, which is really beautiful and really nice. And if you are similar to my skin shade or tone, you're really gonna like this. It's gonna look really gorgeous on your nails. So this Hug and Roll is beautiful. I cannot live without Pinky. Pinky is one of those nail polishes that's perfect on, it's like a sheer pink wash and it gives you a very clean, beautiful look. This is something great for every day, for a bride, someone that just wants clean nails. I love this and I wear this so, so much. Okay, we have the random poop color in here. This is Caramello, but I'm not gonna lie, I can't live without this. This is such a beautiful color and so unique. The reason I love this one so much is because I haven't seen a polish out there like this one that has this color. It is so unique, you guys, and so beautiful, like a mustardy, poopy yellow, and it's so beautiful. And it looks different on everybody. Lighter skin, it looks more yellow. On me, it looks more like a more mustardy, kind of deeper yellow, but it's very, very, very beautiful. Okay, my browns. This one here is Broccoli and Chocolate for the deep, deep browns. I love darker colors. This brown is gorgeous. There's no doubt about it. It is so beautiful, especially if you have light skin. This just pops on your skin so beautifully. And then I also absolutely love Point Zero. Point Zero is so gorgeous because it has like that cool tone to it. And it's really nice. These browns are really, really... Okay, I love reds. I love, love, love reds, and these three are my favorite. This first one is like a pinky red. It's called Magic City, and it's just very, very bright and summery. Really, really gorgeous. I absolutely love this one. And then we have these two. My absolute favorite red of all time from them, if you're wondering, is Ace. It's just a true red. It's a very true, bright red, very gorgeous, and it's very sexy and just perfect for any sexy moment in your life. Then we have Havana Nights, which is a deep red, just so beautiful and mysterious, and it's one of my absolute favorites. I had to have this for sure. You have to have it too. Okay, I love bright orange, and every time I wear this, Aries, I always get questions on it. Aries is so fiery and like very bright and very energetic, and a beautiful bright orange, and goes on very, very smooth, very, very creamy. Love it. All right, any of the Das Expensives, this one here is Casino Nights. Beautiful glittery gold, very gorgeous, one of my favorites. But any of the Das Expensives, if they have any more, are absolutely stunning, absolutely gorgeous. I'm so glad I picked these up, you guys. I hope that they have them. If they don't, I'm sorry, but those ones are amazing. Oh, so hot right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then we have some grays. This one is like a sidewalk gray. It's called Cancer, and it's these Zodiac. Any of the Zodiac polishes are so gorgeous. I love them. It's my favorite collection they came out with. And Cancer is a beautiful like sidewalk gray. I mean, you guys see for yourself, it's gorgeous. Then we have this one, Virgo. You can't not have Virgo. Virgo is another one of those that is very unique. I've never seen anyone else come out with a gray like this, and it's so beautiful. You guys need this in your life. It's so gorgeous. If you don't like to wear black but you want a dark color, this is a good one to have. Just absolutely beautiful. Okay, I only have a couple left. Oh, I forgot this blue. This one is like, it's Aquarius 2. It literally looks like stars. It looks like the galaxy on your nails. Very easy galaxy. You need this in your life. It has like the silvery flecks in there, silvery gold flecks in there with the dark blue. So beautiful, so unique, so gorgeous. Okay. I'm gonna mention the black. This is Tuxedo Mask. That's what I have on today, the black. Have to mention that. We got the bright pink, another one that I always get asked what I have on my nails. It's Celia. This bright pink, it's always Celia. I think it's so gorgeous, so beautiful, and I definitely one of my favorites, especially for the summertime. Okay, mint green, Miss Kengsington. Mint greens always give me trouble. They're always clumpy. This one is absolutely amazing and so beautiful. Another eye-catching one. Every time I wear this, I always get questions. It's Miss Kengsington. So beautiful, you guys. Definitely must need. All these are must needs. Here we go, Libra. For those of you guys that like the light pink, fresh, girly, beautiful, feminine type of polishes, this one is so beautiful, and it looks like in the bottle, but it looks stunning on your nails. Stunning. Love it. Okay, for those of you guys that like the craziness, like the duochromeness, like the different, this one here is Mother of Dragons, and Game of Thrones is super popular right now, so pick this one up, guys. Add this to your collection. This one's a beautiful, like, greeny gold with glitter in there. Just so beautiful. Definitely looks like a dragon shade. Okay, here's another Dream Boy. White with a blue tone to it. Very beautiful. Again, these whites are some of my favorite to wear on my nails because for my skin shade and my hands, they just are they complement me very, very well. So if you're close to my skin, if you're an olivey girl, you might really love this one. Okay, last two. We have this one here is Jane, which is very, very wearable, pinky purple mauve color. It's lighter, so it's not super dark. This is something great for every day, for mamas. Like, I really love this one. It's beautiful. And then we have Sagittarius. I can't go without having a almost black purple because sometimes I can't wear black. Sometimes black is too much for me. Right now I'm kind of feeling the black, but sometimes it's too much. So I want something that's super dark, but it's not black, and purple always looks, a dark, dark, dark purple always looks really good on my nails. So if you're someone that feels like you can't wear black, try this one, Sagittarius. It's a really good one. I went through all my favorites except for my #1 favorites, and I don't even know if my #1 favorite is going to be on the site, but if it is, oh, pick it up. This is Marshmellow Sunset. You guys, this is my favorite polish that KO Polish has came out with. It is a white, but when you turn it, it has like a reflection of like gold and like almost like peachy looking. This is so gorgeous. It is fully opaque. It is not transparent at all, and it always looks so beautiful on my nails. This is my most worn KO Polish nail polish. I love it so much. Marshmellow Sunset. It is so beautiful. For any time of the year I will rock this. For winter, for summer, for spring. Just so beautiful, you guys. I hope they still have it up there. If they do, pick it up. Alright guys, so that's all for my KO Polish favorite nail polishes. It's so sad they're going out of business, but you guys pick them up. They are on sale right now, and you guys always do comment and ask me about my nail polish because you like my polishes, because they're so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a fast one, guys, but hopefully next week I can have like regular videos, another Zodiac videos coming up, you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Big hugs. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.